Before diving into the details of major catalysts, it'll be useful to understand Hut 8's platform consists of three interconnected layers: power, digital infrastructure, and compute. These layers work together to support energy-intensive technologies like Bitcoin mining and high-performance computing, HPC. Its integrated model allows it to capitalize on innovation-driven opportunities in the evolving energy and infrastructure landscape. By strategically allocating resources and capital across its three layers, Hut 8 aims to optimize returns, mitigate volatility, and capture opportunities at multiple stages of the value chain. The power layer is the foundation of Hut 8's platform, focusing on acquiring, developing, and managing critical energy assets such as interconnects, powered land, and electrical infrastructure. Hut 8's strategy is to maximize the scale of its power layer, monetize each megawatt in its portfolio, and optimize yield over time. It has a development pipeline of approximately 12,300 MW of energy capacity, with 2,800 MW under exclusivity. Hut 8's digital infrastructure layer involves designing, building, monetizing, and operating purpose-built facilities for energy-intensive applications. It seeks to monetize each asset in its power portfolio through a targeted, asset-by-asset approach. Hut 8's power-first strategy and expertise in rapidly deploying low-cost Bitcoin mining infrastructure development enable it to scale its power layer aggressively while preserving flexibility to transition assets to other high-value use cases. The management team has extensive experience across the energy, digital infrastructure, and technology sectors, with a track record of advising and partnering with major energy generation owners and utilities. Hut 8's board of directors includes current and former senior executives and advisors from relevant industries. The company's ability to rapidly monetize and scale its power layer through Bitcoin mining gives it a structural advantage in the market. By focusing on greenfield development and limiting reliance on third-party developers, Hut 8 reduces vendor dependencies, mitigates supply chain risks, and retains control over project design, cost, and execution. Hut 8's approach to digital infrastructure development allows it to capture upside while maximizing the long-term yield of each power asset in its portfolio. It monetizes projects in its digital infrastructure layer under various models, including joint ventures and hosting or co-location. This approach enables Hut 8 to establish an in-house testing environment, focus on value engineering and innovation, and apply operational insights to new projects or scale them across its existing portfolio to target higher returns on its power and digital infrastructure assets. The compute layer is the third layer of Hut 8's platform, where the company acquires, monetizes, and operates specialized hardware for energy-intensive technologies like Bitcoin mining and high-performance computing, HPC. By operating and monetizing specialized hardware, Hut 8 generates valuable operational data and insights that enable the company to optimize the design, development, and operations of its digital infrastructure. Hut 8 takes an application-agnostic approach to digital infrastructure development, focusing on a tiered classification system based on redundancy and resiliency levels rather than specific applications. Its focus is on developing infrastructure for both HPC workloads, which require significant capital investment and stringent requirements, and ASIC compute, where lower capital requirements and minimal redundancy make low operating costs and rapid deployment a priority. Hut 8 has pioneered a new data center form factor for Bitcoin mining ASIC compute, featuring high-density racks, direct-to-chip liquid cooling, and HVAC-supported air cooling, which enables the company to support rack-based deployments of ASIC compute at high densities. It's also partnered with Bitmain to develop and launch a next-generation ASIC miner, featuring direct liquid-to-chip cooling. Hut 8 has developed a proprietary software suite and established a dedicated data science function focused on developing advanced decision-making algorithms to optimize energy consumption and improve returns within its compute layer. In one case study, Hut 8 leveraged its proprietary energy curtailment software, Reactor, to dynamically manage power consumption across its sites, resulting in a 28% decline in average energy cost per kilowatt-hour and enabling the company to preserve self-mining economics in a post-halving environment. Hut 8 takes an active approach to portfolio management, driven by a dedicated team that identifies and addresses value creation opportunities at both the asset and platform levels. The company's capital strategy centers on securing the lowest possible cost of capital and minimizing enterprise risk, and it aims to maintain a robust, liquid balance sheet that enables it to explore creative financing approaches. HUD 8 strives to optimize its cost of capital by leveraging a range of financing instruments at the corporate and project levels, and it employs tools such as at-the-market and share buyback programs to optimize stockholder value and navigate market volatility. The company's treasury management strategy aims to enhance balance sheet flexibility and optimize capital efficiency, and it maintains a strategic Bitcoin reserve that can be monetized to optimize return on invested capital. And despite a competitive landscape, HUD 8 believes it has established a defensible competitive advantage through its power-first, innovation-driven strategy, which is underpinned by a power-native team, an application-agnostic framework for digital infrastructure design, and end-to-end greenfield development capabilities. HUD 8 provides cloud and colocation services to customers across industries like technology, financial services, government, and media, serving over 250 customers through its 5 enterprise-grade data centers. It actively seeks to partner with developers of digital infrastructure and large-scale consumers of load capacity, leveraging its expertise in power-intensive computing to drive infrastructure expansion and efficiency. Partners have included a Fortune 200 energy generation company, a multinational financial services firm, and a leading institutional investor. HUD 8 has also received strategic investments, such as from Coatue Management, to support the build-out of AI infrastructure, and has partnered with Bitmain to develop next-generation ASIC miners as part of a broader technological and commercial innovation partnership. In the future, larger projects could be undertaken given speculation. HUD 8 received approval to build a $2.5 billion, 300-megawatt AI data center in Louisiana, with potential future expansions reaching beyond 1 gigawatt. Since the West Feliciana Parish Government Planning and Zoning Department reportedly granted the approval on January 6, 2025, the data center would be built on a 611-acre site and is expected to create hundreds of permanent jobs and support between 1,500 to 2,000 construction jobs during peak construction. The project will be leased to an unnamed tenant, which plans to purchase $10 billion worth of data center hardware. As a result, analysts believe the agreement could offer HUD 8 better per megawatt economics than Core Scientific's deal with CoreWeave, potentially increasing revenue significantly. In the broader context, analysts like Piper Sandler highlight the potential for Bitcoin miners like HUD 8 to pivot towards AI and high-performance computing data center deals, citing significantly more attractive economics compared to core mining business. They estimate AI and HPC data center contracts could potentially triple miner EBITDA at certain sites, driven by approved access to power, a key advantage for Bitcoin miners. Other positive influences from crypto relate to President Donald Trump's comments about plans for a strategic crypto reserve, which has tended to boost Bitcoin prices and cryptocurrency-related stocks. Speaking of President Donald Trump, HUD 8 partnered with Eric Trump to launch American Bitcoin, a Bitcoin mining company focused on industrial-scale Bitcoin mining and strategic Bitcoin reserve development. The venture combines HUD 8's mining operations and infrastructure development capabilities with Eric Trump's commercial and capital markets expertise. American Bitcoin aims to become the world's largest and most efficient Bitcoin miner, while building a significant strategic Bitcoin reserve. As part of the partnership, HUD 8 will serve as American Bitcoin's exclusive infrastructure and operating partner, generating stable contracted revenue streams for HUD 8's power and digital infrastructure segments. The results of American Bitcoin will be consolidated within HUD 8's financial statements under its compute segment. The leadership team for American Bitcoin includes Mike Ho as executive chairman, Matt Prusak as CEO, and Eric Trump as chief strategy officer. HUD 8 continues to position itself as an energy infrastructure platform, integrating power, digital infrastructure, and compute capabilities. Its power-first development model focuses on securing high-quality power assets, initially monetizing them through Bitcoin mining, and optimizing for higher return use cases over time. HUD 8's strategy is built on the conviction that electricity will become increasingly valuable, particularly in regions facing supply shortfalls. It's mapped out high-risk areas for electricity supply from 2025 to 2029 to guide its development strategy, and has outlined an accelerated development roadmap for 2025. This roadmap focuses on originating new power assets, investing in lower cost of capital segments, maximizing portfolio yield, and optimizing infrastructure design. However, at the risk of sounding too over-optimistic, it's important to point out HUD 8 is not immune to risks and challenges, largely related to continued volatility in Bitcoin prices impacting financial performance, execution risks associated with large-scale infrastructure projects, potential delays in achieving operational efficiency from new initiatives, and market competition in the high-performance computing and data center sectors. As American Bitcoin goes public, it will do so through an all-stock merger with Griffon Digital Mining, listing on the NASDAQ. Existing shareholders like Eric Trump, Donald Trump Jr., and Hut 8 will retain 98% ownership of the newly formed entity. The deal is expected to close in the third quarter of 2025, with Eric Trump serving as Chief Strategy Officer. American Bitcoin aims to create the most investable Bitcoin accumulation platform in the market. This move is part of a series of crypto ventures by the Trump family, with President Trump pledging to make the U.S. a global leader in crypto and promising a lighter regulatory touch. Other notable American Bitcoin anchor shareholders include Gemini's co-founders Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss. CEO Asher Ganoot stated that the merger offers stronger financing access, allowing American Bitcoin to focus on industrial-scale Bitcoin mining and strategic Bitcoin reserve development. The company aims to accumulate cryptocurrency through both mining and buying, adapting its strategy based on market conditions. American Bitcoin plans to expand its global business, potentially taking stakes in companies outside the U.S. to provide access to publicly listed Bitcoin assets for investors with restrictions on buying NASDAQ-listed stocks. The company was launched in March 2025 by Hut 8, Eric Trump, and Donald Trump Jr., with the goal of becoming the world's largest and most efficient pure-play Bitcoin miner. Hut 8 will lease data centers to American Bitcoin and has shifted its focus to energy infrastructure and data centers after launching the new venture. Despite criticism surrounding President Trump's involvement in the crypto industry, Ganoot emphasized that American Bitcoin's business is independent of government ties, with Eric Trump primarily involved in strategy. For more on Hut 8 and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.